Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to clean a stone countertop. This method will work for quartz, marble, granite, and more. So let's get right into the video. No matter what type of stone countertop you have, this method will work for you. Let's get right into it. It's a very simple method. It doesn't really require anything special. It makes use of things that you probably already have in your kitchen, okay? And you want to be careful with what you're putting on your countertop. A lot of people will talk about products and this and that, but remember, your countertop is a spot where you eat and it's close to your food. Sometimes it touches your food depending on how you use it, and so forth. So you got to really be careful with what you put on this. And you don't want to ruin the countertop, so I like to keep it nice and natural. What I like to use is a very simple microfiber cloth. Okay, now with the microfiber cloth, what you're going to do is just wet it, get some warm water on there. It doesn't really matter whether it's warm or cold, but I recommend warm. Number one, it makes your hands feel nice when you're doing it because the water is nice and warm. But number two, it just, warm water has a tendency to be more likely to get rid of any bacteria and stuff like that, okay? So now with your damp microfiber cloth, all that you need to do is put a drop, a tiny droplet of a drop, like barely anything, like that. That's it. Just a little drop of just regular dish soap. This is just regular dish soap, okay? And you only need a drop, okay? And I'll tell you why. You just need the slightest bit to clean. And then you're going to take that drop and you're going to maneuver it around the microfiber cloth. Now what you don't want to do is then flip the cloth over and use this side, because really the soap is only here. You put so little that it's just going to be on one side of the cloth. So make sure you remember where the soap is. You could probably tell because of the coloration anyways. You're going to take that microfiber cloth that's damp with a drop of soap, a tiny drop of soap. Then you're going to wipe down your counter. Now I like to go around the perimeter first. It doesn't really matter, but I like to go around the perimeter first and then carry it through to the middle. Wipe down your counter once. Okay, what I do then is I just go like this into the sink in case there were any crumbs or anything, and then wipe it down again, okay? Just like this. And I just go up and down really nicely like that, okay? Now, at this point, once you're done wiping the counter, a lot of people will just leave it, okay? And obviously, I would continue doing the rest of the counter on that side, but I want to keep this video short and sweet. A lot of people would just leave it, but that sometimes leaves water spots on the counter, okay? So what I like to do is then I just take a dish towel like this, okay? Just a regular dish towel, hopefully one that's relatively clean because you're wiping your counter with it. And I just give it one wipe around the perimeter, like I said, and then up and down the center, just like that, to dry it off. All right, and then I flip the towel over. I use the other side now that should be dry because I used this side at first. Now I'm using the other side, and then I just go up and down again. And you'll notice by the time I finish wiping this, that side will already be pretty much dry. So as you can see right here, I finished wiping it. This side is dry already. It's dry, no watermarks. Literally, it is spotless, like mirrored finish. Spotless. Not a single crumb, looks amazing, and absolutely clean as well in terms of how clean it is and stuff like that. That's basically it. That is essentially how to clean a stone countertop, whether you have marble, quartz, granite, or any other type of stone. That is how to do it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.